Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Nikki the Bombshell Bride and welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually getting my hair ready for the wedding. So I am a big fan of unnatural colors. I normally have an unnatural color on top of my head, and for the wedding I really wanted it to be lavender or purple, or I'll take whatever I can get at this point. It's purple now, but it's got a lot of other colors. So I'm just gonna lay some purple over it and hopefully get the color I want by the time the wedding rolls around. It is at this point in preparation, 27 days left until we say I do. Very exciting. So just gotta make sure my hair is good. So if it doesn't turn out the way I want it to, I have plenty of time to fix it or for it to wash down a little bit or what have it. So I am just going to kind of have you guys along for the ride. I'm going to kind of zone out a little bit. The beard will be in and out to help me because, you know, the back of my head I can't do very well because I can't see back there because I don't have those mom powers yet. The eyes in the back of my head I've not quite mastered. I have the mom hearing, not the eyes in the back of my head. I'm hoping that comes after I do because that would be dope. That would really come in handy at work as well. So there's that. But all right, guys, thanks so much for joining me again, and hope this is somewhat interesting or hilarious or whatever, what have you. Just, I don't know, I just thought this was good. So, thank you. Yes, you can. Come back. Jesus, don't touch the hair. Hey, do you want to watch as I do this? To see what...
You look so beautiful.
Honey,
Yeah.
are you ready?
Sure.
Your lack of enthusiasm kind of brings me joy. So
I just pour that on. Right?
Not amused by you. No, this stays down.
And I dip this in there.
No. Babe.
What?
Okay, so you see all that's down?
Okay.
Okay. Use this one to separate out a section.
I did.
This isn't a section?
No, babe, it's gotta be small sections or it's not gonna go all the way through.
Good.
Ow.
Thank you.
There's nothing on that one. What are you doing?
You said to use it to brush it out.
No, to like the tail, honey.
Well, maybe it makes sense.
Okay. Ow! You're pulling my hair.
Why'd you leave Kentucky?
Why'd you leave Iowa?
Okay. Perfect.
That's
I looked
not
around
it.
and realized
because those gloves don't like glide on your hair.
And of course, I'm wearing a light color shirt.
Okay.
Exactly.
Do you want to throw on my aprons real quick?
Hey Jack,
Okay. Start at the base, work
really
your
glad
way
I
out.
don't have to be alone tonight.
I normally do the top, because that's what's going to be seen. Put your other hand like right underneath where you are. There you go. Okay, so just take your 2 fingers on either side and kind of just work them back and forth, so you're kind of just like getting the color in. Give me the brush.
No.
What happened to all the great dancers in LA?
We're all dancing with the stars.
There you
Call
go.
Andre and
Look
ask
at
him
you.
who might have
That's
some.
it.
You want
Don't
eyebrows
like
purple
her,
too?
but don't
I do not want purple eyebrows.
Mhm.
Thank you so much for your consideration. All right, so here is the finished product. The beard came in super handy. He actually did like all of the bottom of my hair for me because I was having a hard time, and he was just really helpful. But so this is what it is for right now. It will get lighter before the wedding, which is good, but also like kind of feeling this color too. So like if it stays dark, not mad about it. I actually think it looks really good. So, but yeah, so hope that was at least interesting at the very least to see the beard color hair, because like that's never happened before, so that's pretty special. But I'm gonna leave you guys here. Thank you so much for coming along for Bombshell Bride today. Just remember, as always, stay safe, stay sassy, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.